Coming from the world of MXGP, if you didn't see, this is about a week old now, but Jeffery Herlings, probably one of the best motorcycle riders, dirt bike riders, whatever you want to call it, motocross racers of all time, has hit the century mark. 100 GP wins. And I know, I'm going to get this right out of the way, I know a lot of people are saying that as this is impressive, yes, but he did spend a lot of years in the 250 class, the MX2 class over there, and he did win a lot of races over there. So you have those people who are saying, you know, there's that little asterisk to it. Like, it doesn't matter to me. 100 GP wins, you know, that's, let's say, you know, 50% rate. That's 200 races. You know, that means it's a lot of racing. It's a lot of winning. And with those 100 GP wins, he also has 5 world titles. Coming up this week, too, at the MXGP of Switzerland, he could break the all-time record of 101. I don't know if it breaks or, one GP win away from the all-time record. So I think right now he's tied for first with Stefan Everts. Don't be mad at me if I have butchered that name because I don't know. But it's pretty cool to watch. And it's one of those fun things, too, that he spent his whole career on a KTM. Whole time. So every single GP win, every win he's ever had, every world title he's ever won comes from being on a KTM. He's probably one of the best people to show that, hey, this bike is a winner. And he has come over here and raced at least once in motocross and showed that he's fast everywhere. Like, he was super fast over here. And personally, I hope that we get to see him before the end of his career. Let's put it that way. I don't want him to come over here as like the last year, or I'm going to retire and come over past his prime and just kind of do it for a PR thing. I want to see him come over here and actually race and compete and be, you know, a top guy and see if he can win a, you know, American motocross title. You've got Tom Biala over here. Maybe you get this guy, but I think it's cool. I mean, 100 wins is a lot when you consider just, you think about what, Supercross, you have 17, 18 rounds, and you have, I think Eli Tomac, or like the highest win is like 70. So this guy is above everybody else and only one discipline. Personally, I think it's cool. I mean, hats off to him for just being as fast as he is. But in the comments below, you tell me, are you a fan of Jeffery Herlings? Do you watch MXGP? Any of that kind of stuff? Whatever you want to say, just make sure to comment down below. As you go down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.